Hi everyone, Zach here. It's been a wild ride for Shiba Inu and for the entire market right now. We're going to talk about the entire market as it relates to SHIB right now. What's going on? What's the latest on Coinbase Pro? What's the latest on eToro? All of that and more in this video. Yahoo Finance has put out a new article about Shiba Inu. We're going to get into that as well. As you can see from the charts here, it has been crazy. It has been a wild last couple weeks for Shiba Inu. And to kind of dial it back before we dive into all of the latest, I just want to share one thing with you real quick. Check out this book right here if you haven't read this already. Shout out to all the authors here. Give them all the credit. Neil Mehta, okay, and company did a fantastic job with this book. I just finished it up on the Audible app on that version. It is fantastic. So if you haven't read this one, it's a really nice one to read to give you a kind of nice base on this whole thing in the crypto space and the future of blockchains and how it's going to be used. And, you know, they go into some interviews and some insights from all of these people working at Google and Microsoft and all of these various companies. So if you haven't read this one, do yourself a service and read this one or listen to it on books on tape, something like that. You can find it all over the internet. Just wanted to share that with you. I got some value out of it, so you know that's what we do here on the channel. We're all about creating value for others and helping each other on our investing journey and constant growth in all facets of life. So bubble or revolution, check it out. All right, so let's start right here because this is the big question right now, right? The elephant in the room. What is going on? What is going on with Coinbase Pro? Last Wednesday, we got word that they were going to delay it. It wasn't going to roll out Thursday along with CHZ and the Keep token. We haven't heard anything. And you know what? I'm not getting nervous yet. I'm not nervous. But it's getting weird. Okay? It's getting weird. And I want to know something. I want to know some information. I'm sure you do as well. I wish I could deliver that information to you right now and tell you Coinbase Pro tomorrow at 3 p.m. However, we don't have that information. And the longer this prolongs, the longer Coinbase Pro doesn't tweet anything, doesn't say anything, and none of the dev team at Shiba Inu is talking about this, the weirder it gets. Let's just be blunt. We want information. We want to know what's going on. We still haven't heard anything on this front. And I know a lot of people are starting to speculate, well, maybe this thing doesn't happen. Maybe this thing's just not going to happen at all. I still think it will happen because I find it hard to believe that Coinbase wouldn't go through a vetted process to get to the point to put out an article that said they're going to be adding CHZ, Shiba Inu, and Keep tokens without doing their due diligence. Now, I could be wrong. Maybe they just did it in order to get on the hype train, if you will, to speak to us as Shiba Inu holders and investors. But I just get the feeling that something weird is happening here, and I hope it gets resolved soon, and I hope I can deliver you information very soon that, hey, it's coming to Coinbase Pro, and here it is, here's when it's coming, what it's going to look like, and all that. So I just want to get that out of the way first and foremost. Along these same lines, we've got the eToro listing, which is potentially looming. All right, so eToro did put out some information, and I should have it somewhere in my media here. But yes, eToro did come out with some information pretty recently that, they're going to be listing some other cryptocurrencies soon. And when that will be, we don't exactly know, okay? By the way, whoever created this, absolutely hilarious. That is hilarious. Okay, so here it is right here. Don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. We just added Algorand, Matic, and BAT token. So when it'll be, we don't know. But I do like that eToro is talking about it. They're teasing it. I do think it'll happen eventually. But, going back to the big elephant in the room is Coinbase. And I wish I had more information. The longer it prolongs, the weirder it gets. All right, with that being said, let's jump into the charts. And again, I just want to stress, I'm not overly concerned yet about the Coinbase listing. I'm not doubting it's going to happen. I'm just saying it's getting weird. Why aren't we getting any information? Okay. So Shiba Inu chart. So wow, I mean this has been a roller coaster of a ride. So go way back here, June 12th. We got down into those 5-5 levels, and here today we tested those levels 10 days later when everything looked to be on the up and up, and we got up to the high point levels here, the 1002 level, all the way up here. Then it's come crashing down kind of quickly here and then kind of stalled out, came back up for a minute, and then everything, the entire market just zooming downwards. Now, when we do zoom in here, we will see that this is 1 hour candlesticks. Let's go to 30 minutes here. And we can see that it has, it is bouncing back slowly here and gaining more ground. We're currently ranked number 30 in market cap. Of course, all the assets today getting pummeled. Let me know down in the comments what you bought. What did you go shopping for today? What did you dump into your shopping cart this morning or yesterday? We had a live stream this morning. I know a lot of people were talking about what they went and bought, so I'd like to hear from you as well. Let me know what you got into. I'd love to hear that down below in the comments. And of course, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. We'd love to add you to our community here. And real quick, as I'm doing all the plugs, we also have our Patreon over here. Come on over and join us. We'd love to have you over here, over on the Patreon. That link is over in the description. Okay, let's dive into this article here from Yahoo Finance. Shiba Inu investors cross fingers on the trading platform speculation. Investors are crossing their fingers and pause in hopes that they will get some good news today that could bolster the languishing price of the meme coin. Online brokerage eToro announced it's adding a wave of new crypto assets to its platform, which has set off a frenzy of speculation on social media. As we do believe it, one of them will be Shiba Inu. We're the only people who are loud and clear. When they say we hear you loud and clear, I think the Shiba Inu community is louder than any other community, in my opinion. All right, so to be clear, eToro has not weighed in on the specific crypto assets in the pipeline, only to say that it's adding a new batch of coins on Monday. Now, we did get those new batch, those 3 coins that we talked about, the BAT token, the Matic token, and Algorand. However, they said more are coming. We don't know if it'll be this week, next month, what have you. All right, social media speculation. Getting added to a trading platform like eToro would add to the liquidity of SHIB token and also raise its profile. We talked about this. Over 20 million people signed up on eToro over there. So it's a large brokerage, a large platform. They already support roughly 24 crypto assets, including meme coin Dogecoin. So when eToro announced its support of Doge, it said to investors, "You barked and we heard you." So I think they're saying something similar about the Shiba Inu community. All right, so then they get into Doge a little bit. Not to be outdone, Shiba Inu investors similarly have an ambitious target of USD $1 on their favorite crypto. Now, of course, I've always said, first and foremost, let's get to 1 cent, okay? This is going to be very difficult. It's going to be a long process, in my opinion, but I do think it's possible. All right, so here's the SHIB letdown as they cast it in this article. These are the 3 that got added. However, they do say that, they are not done. They will add more soon. So, either way, investors could always head over to the Voyager app, which recently added SHIB to its up-and-coming crypto trading platform. I do think we'll see some more positive catalysts come out of this in particular. So, I do think the Voyager app will continue to get steady support from SHIB supporters. We saw last Friday that it was the #1 traded asset, and I think that trend will continue throughout this week. They were on CNBC last week. So this is your update right now for Shiba Inu. I wish I had more to report on Coinbase Pro. I wish I had more to report on Shiba Swap, although there is a new video out, a tutorial out, so go check that one out from SHIB Analyst. But other than that, we're bouncing back off the crash. Don't panic. This is normal. It's volatile. And Shiba Inu Army, I will talk to you soon. And all crypto lovers, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.